Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work an ICord bind off. This is a beautiful structured bind off. This is what it looks like on the right side, and this is what it looks like on the wrong side. I'm demonstrating on circular needles, but this can be done on circulars or straights. So here I'm ready to bind off on my right side row here, but to begin I need to cast on 3 stitches. You can really do this any way that you prefer. You could do a cable cast on or a standard knit cast on. It doesn't matter. The easiest way is probably just to take your yarn, bring your thumb around it from back to front to create a loop, and then place that loop onto your needle. We're going to work a repeat of a knit two together through the back loop. You could also substitute an SSK for the knit 2 together through the back loop. So I'm going to knit 2, 1, 2, and now I'm going to knit 2 together through the back loop. Instead of going into the stitch like this from the front, like a normal knit 2 together, you're going to go through the back loop like this. And then you're going to yarn over, pull a loop through, and slide those 2 off your left-hand needle. You can pull a little bit snug, and now you're going to slip those 3 stitches back to your left-hand needle without twisting them. So take your left-hand needle into the first stitch and just slip them without twisting them. Your yarn should be attached to the 3rd stitch from the end. That's what's going to create the ICord effect. So now we just repeat that. So we knit 2 together through the back loop all the way across. So knit the first 2 stitches. It's going to feel a little bit weird because your yarn is attached a few stitches away. We're going through the back loops like this, and then yarn over, pull a loop through, and slide those 2 off your left-hand needle and kind of tighten it up a little bit. And then we just slip those stitches back to our left-hand needle without twisting them. And again, your yarn is attached 3 stitches down. And you can kind of see the beginning of an ICord edge here. So you're going to do that until you have only 1 of your original stitches left and 3 ICord stitches left, so 4 in total. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back here at the end. So at the end, you should have 3 of your ICord stitches and 1 final stitch from your project. So we're going to slip these 3 back to our left-hand needle as we have been doing. Knit 2. And work 1 final knit 2 together through the back loop. And now we're going to bind off all of these stitches. So slip them back to your left-hand needle. Knit 2, pull the second one over the first and off, knit the next stitch, pull the second one over the first and off. And there you have it. You have a little bit of a tail, but I can just kind of hide that a little bit by weaving this in securely on the back like this. And there you have it. That is your ICord bind off. It's a really beautiful structured bind off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials.